And a most pleasant good day to everybody. Hope everybody's doing really well today. Of course, we're in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday, the 27th of March, 2019. Now, what is going on the watches and warnings map today? Well, let's start out with Florida. All of this brown is wind. You guys are going to have kind of a windy day today until this system pushes on off. You could have 30, 40 mile per hour wind gust, and the wind will be steady in these areas for pretty much until late this afternoon. Now, where this purple is, well, of course, this is high surf advisory. High surf advisory and warnings go all the way up to my coast before they go offshore. Beach erosion is possible up and down from Florida, parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina as of right now. So be aware that's going to be very, very windy with some beach erosion. And so Robert down in Florida and St. Lucie, don't go fishing today. Wait until tomorrow. This morning already over in this area right here, we've had a reported water spout, and over in this area right here, we've had severe thunderstorm warnings that could turn into water spouts. So please be aware of your conditions. Now, over in the panhandle of Florida, what we have here, right in here, well, this is red flag warning. Same thing going for this little portion of Colorado right in here. This is red flag warnings, windy, do not burn. Now, so far as the little blue areas up in North Carolina, all the way down in South Carolina, this was frost advisories and freeze warnings. They should all be out. These should go out of date probably around at least 10 o'clock today. So, yes, it's very chilly at my house. I'm in the 30s right now. Over in here, this was just a advisory area to watch out for frost conditions. Now, everything in green that you see all over the map up in Montana, parts of Wyoming, Nevada, Colorado, I mean, it just goes on, South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, Michigan, a little bit of Ohio, Illinois over here, and Indiana here, and all the way down where you see this green. This is flood advisory and warnings. Now, over in Nevada, right in this area, you have high wind advisories going on. Big time wind. Be prepared if you're traveling in any of these areas that are in the black, because travel is going to be hazardous. Then, of course, in California and right at the edge of Nevada, we have this winter storm warning, and this is really going to pack a punch. Now, this is for the greater Lake Tahoe area and Mono County, but it also applies to every county that was in pink. What to expect? It is this winter storm warning. It's going to remain in effect until 11 p.m. this evening if you are above 7,000 feet. And this, of course, is Pacific Daylight Time. Now, heavy snow above 7,000 feet is expected through this evening. Total snow accumulations 1 to 2 feet above 7,000 feet, with the highest totals near the Sierra Crest. Now, if you're below 7,000 feet, up to 4 inches of snow, and you might expect 5 to 10 inches west of Highway 89. The winds are going to blow. They're going to gust as high as 50, and if you're in the Sierra Ridge area, your gusts are going to be up to 100 miles per hour. Now, this is going to go through until 11 p.m. this evening for you guys again. Trees can fall down, all kind of things can happen. If you don't have to get out in it if you're in these areas, please don't. Now, for everyone in portions of south central Montana, you can see all different places listed right up here, the locations. Winter storm watch, it's going to be in effect from this evening through Friday morning. Heavy snow is possible. Accumulations of 3 to 10 inches is possible, with the highest amounts closer to the mountains. Now, this is from this evening. This advisory and watch, winter storm watch, goes in effect this evening and it lasts through Friday morning. So please be aware if you're up in these areas. This, of course, is the NAM map. It's courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. This is the GFS forecast of the NAM. I have checked it against the European model and the Canadian model, and they all seem to be in agreement. So let's turn it on, let it roll, and I'll tell you what's happening. The weather pattern will be impactful across the western third of the nation as a Pacific cold front reaches California today and then tracks inland across the Intermountain West through tomorrow. Now, the result of all of this is going to be moderate to heavy rain for the lower elevations of central and northern California and heavy snow for the Sierra Nevada and northern Rockies. Now, there is a marginal risk for flooding across parts of California as this storm system passes through the region. Many things we have to be on the lookout for. Now, much of the southern U.S. will be relatively uneventful, yay, weather-wise, through the middle of this week today. Now, this is all because we have a large surface high that's governing the overall weather pattern. Now, the front and surface low that produced the widespread rainfall across the southeast U.S. earlier in the week, it has finally exited the East Coast, with the exception of Florida and the Florida Peninsula, where scattered showers are expected near the East Coast region today. And then the next chance of rain returns to the Midwest and Great Lakes region early tomorrow as a cold front approaches these areas. So far as severe weather goes, we'll check that out right quick and see what's happening with that. And of course, we're looking at the national forecast map today. I don't see any really severe weather up here today. Right here, wherever you see these kind of tan looking lines going around, of course, we have this low that's right off the coast of Florida now. But this is rain and thunderstorm activity that's possible anywhere in the brown. Same goes for up here as it comes down from a little bit of Ohio all the way down across through Oklahoma, panhandle of Texas, and then up through New Mexico and on around. This is a chance of rain and thunderstorms, but they should not be severe weather. The white, of course, is the snow, and where you see the lighter blue, this is a chance of rain and snow mixtures. Rain and snow mixtures. We'll look ahead for tomorrow. This is the 28th on Thursday, and we can see when we get down here, right? Okay, here we go. We have rain and thunderstorms coming up from the Gulf that are hatching up through Texas, parts of Arkansas, and the Oklahoma Panhandle. Other than this, we just got rain out still around the east coast of Florida and some of the mainland. This is just rain, 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 okay? Nothing but rain. Same going on up here for portions of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, right on up through Connecticut. Chance of rain and snow starts to happen when you get up to the edge of Maine, parts of New Hampshire, right on down in through New York and on across to a little of Michigan. Same going over here from Iowa all the way up into Canada and still down into California and over as it meets up with, it kind of goes in a circle, huh? As it meets up right here in Colorado. Now, I said there could be a chance, and also this is snow right up in this area. Got a chance of snow. That by tomorrow there could be this chance of severe weather to start to make up. And where you see that yellow in Oklahoma, there it is, right there. So, maybe I got that right. I hope it's not too severe, but it is this chance for possible severe thunderstorms to hatch up right in that area of Oklahoma. So, with that all said and done, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell and check off all or email notifications to ensure you get the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any kind of weather that might be coming your way in the near future. I appreciate you watching and sharing this information with your families and friends and on social media to help me grow my channel, to help me keep people aware of what's going on for their safety. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Don't forget, everybody, keep Jersey Dolphins, one of our subs and friends here, in your thoughts and prayers. He's bedridden now with severe back problems. Please keep him in your thoughts and prayers. Peace, love, and kindness to all. I love you all so much, and thanks for watching.